Welcome to our guide on how to overcome fear. Fear is a natural and powerful emotion that can hold us back from reaching our full potential. But the good news is that there are scientifically proven methods and techniques that can help us conquer our fears. In this video, we will explore some effective strategies for overcoming fear and share real-life case studies to showcase the benefits of facing our fears head-on. One of the most powerful techniques for overcoming fear is gradual exposure. This involves facing your fears in a controlled and gradual manner, allowing yourself to become more comfortable with the source of your fear over time. By slowly exposing yourself to what you fear, you can retrain your brain to see the situation as less threatening, ultimately reducing your fear response. Another effective method for overcoming fear is mindfulness and relaxation techniques. By practicing mindfulness, you can learn to observe your fear without becoming overwhelmed by it. This can help you develop a sense of control over your emotions and reduce the intensity of your fear response. Similarly, relaxation techniques such as deep breathing and meditation can help calm your mind and body, making it easier to confront your fears. Real-life case studies have shown the incredible benefits of overcoming fear. From conquering a fear of public speaking to facing a fear of heights, individuals have experienced increased confidence, improved mental well-being, and a greater sense of freedom after confronting their fears. By sharing these stories, we hope to inspire and motivate you to take steps towards overcoming your own fears. Throughout this video, we will use subtitles to ensure that the information is accessible to all viewers. We will also provide key takeaways at the end of the video to summarize the most important points and leave you with actionable steps to start overcoming your fears today. So if you're ready to take control of your fears and unlock your full potential, join us on this journey to conquer fear and embrace a life of courage and confidence.